Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join a group as a page on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Facebook application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then, you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my Facebook application, as you should of course if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So here, or that will actually be your home / main screen. Here you'll find the posts that you may be interested on, the posts of your friends, the posts of you, the posts of the pages that you follow, like, join, and etc, something like that, because that's actually Facebook. So how you can actually join a group as a page. So once you find the group you want to join, so let's just go here to the search bar, then click or type memes for me. I'm just doing a random thing, memes, search bar, then click at the group section here. So just let's go to a random group here. So of course, as you can see here, that's actually the group that we would like to join as a page. So of course, if you want to join as a page, you would like to join first. So after actually joining the page, as you can see here, if we click at join, we will be able even to leave the group if we want. So here, that means you actually successfully joined this group. Of course, if you are a page, all you need to do, just go and do the same, of course, and you will be joined. All you need to do is just doing the same thing, then click a join group, then, and that's it. You've successfully joined a Facebook group as your Facebook page, or even as a personal page or a personal account. Of course, if you're using a personal account, that's good. If you're using a page, you'd like to go to your page through here, and of course if you have to, you'll find it here, then join whatever group you want. So that's all be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.